Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Godzilla and Kong side-by-side close-up of their faces. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Godzilla and Kong side-by-side, we're actually going to begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle. Kind of like I'm making a birthday card. Now when I open it up, I've got this nice little guideline on here, which I'm going to be using for the drawing. So the first thing is, let's come over here and let's start with Kong. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to start by making a line that's just going to go down. Then I'm going to curve it up to here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. We're going to go up and then down to here. Right here, I'm going to make a line that kind of curves down. I'm going to bring this line over to here. Make a line that's going to go down and up. Then I'm just going to color in this right here for the pupil. Now, I'm going to leave some space under here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come up. We're going to go down, and then we're going to bring it in and down for the nose. Then I'm going to bring a line that's going to curve up and down. Then I'm going to bring this down to here. And we can kind of color this in a little bit. Just kind of fill in for some details. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down, and then up and down again. Right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve up. A little line here. And I'm going to make a couple lines that come down, and a couple right here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out. We're going to go down, and then I'm going to kind of curve it up. Then I'm going to add a couple little kind of broken curve lines in here. Another one right here for some detail. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, and we're going to come down to here. Then I'm going to bring this line up and over. Then I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come over to here. Then we're going to come down and over. I want to make this come down with a couple little zigzags. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then up for one of his teeth. Then I want to make this come up and down, kind of curve it here. Make a line that goes over and up, and then down and over. Same thing here, we'll go up, over and down, up, over, and then we'll kind of fill in some of these little areas right around here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make some lines that are just going to kind of come out, and we're just going to make some of these zigzag lines. We're going to kind of bring them in a little bit. I'm going to start here, and I'm going to kind of make these kind of out and just kind of pointed down to here. Right about here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up, down, and then back up for the ear. I'll make lines just going to kind of come up and down, kind of curve, and then up here for some detail. Then starting here, I'm just going to make some lines that are just going to kind of come up and go towards the top. Then starting here, I'm just going to make some kind of pointed lines that are just going to come out to here. Now starting here, I'm just going to make a couple little broken lines coming down. Then a little broken line right around here. And then a couple more around here too for some detail on Kong. I'm going to make a couple little broken lines right around the top here. And I'm going to make some quick little lines kind of coming out here just to kind of show where some hair is. We'll do the same up here. And even on some of these, we'll add some extra little lines. And just a few on here too. Now, right along this fold here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a straight line down. So we're just going to go right down here just to kind of separate Kong from Godzilla. Now, starting over here, let's begin with Godzilla. So I'm going to begin by drawing this line that's just going to kind of come down. And then I'm going to curve this out. I'm going to bring this out and then in a little bit. Bring this out and in a little bit again. Make this kind of come up to a point and in. And then up to a point and then in. Next, I'm going to bring this line up to here. And then I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up and make it kind of jagged and come down. Now, starting here, I'm going to make lines going to go down and then up for the eye. I'm going to make a couple little lines that go around it and a couple underneath it. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. And then I'm going to bring this line out. And then we're going to bring this down and then over to here. I'm going to make a little line that's going to come over. I'm going to bring this up here. I'll bring it down and kind of color it in for his nostril. Then I'm going to make a couple little broken lines here. And then I'm going to make a little line that's going to kind of curve down. Then make some more little lines. Then a couple little broken lines right around here too for some detail. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to kind of go up and in, and then up and in here. Then I'm going to make another one that's kind of go up and in, and then up and then into here, kind of bring this line up. Right across here, I'm going to make some little lines for some teeth. So I'm going to make some pointed little teeth, a little bit different sizes, and a bigger tooth right there. Then I'm going to make this line come down, and we're going to go down and then over to here. Next, I'm going to make some more little kind of sharp, jagged teeth right here. And then a little line's going to come up. Make a little broken line that comes up here. Then I'll make a line that's going to come down, over and up. We're going to come over and up to here. Then we're going to kind of come out here and then up and then bring it in with a point. We'll add a couple more little points on here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and in. And we're going to bring this line down. I'm going to kind of curve it in. Same thing, down and kind of curve it in. And we're going to do this all the way down to here. Next, I'm going to bring some lines up here. And we're going to bring some lines kind of right around here. I'm going to curve some lines around. And then right up here, I'm going to make a little broken line that comes up. And then I'm going to make some kind of rounded little points just for kind of like some extra little spikes. Make a couple more little lines and a few more kind of little rounded spikes. Make some long broken lines on here, and then just a couple little extra lines for some detail. And a few little extra lines on his stomach or his neck. Then I'm going to make just a couple little kind of broken pointed lines back here just to show where his spikes are. So we're going to make these kind of come off right to there. I'll throw a few little extra lines on there. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Godzilla and Kong kind of face side by side. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.